How to rewire your mind before manifesting anything. What if I told you, the real reason your manifestations aren't showing up has nothing to do with your desires, your affirmations, or your visualizations, and everything to do with a hidden program running in your mind, a silent script that was written long before you ever tried to manifest anything. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are, and what you are is what your subconscious mind keeps repeating on autopilot. So, unless you rewire that script, you'll keep manifesting the same stuck reality again and again, even if you do everything else right. Welcome to the laws of the universe. In this video, you'll discover exactly how to rewire your mind before manifesting anything and unlock the version of yourself that the universe is already responding to. Number 1. Why manifestation isn't working and why it's not your fault. Let's be clear, it's not that manifestation doesn't work, it's that your internal blueprint is contradicting your external efforts. You can speak abundance all day long, but if your subconscious still believes you're not worthy of wealth, you'll block it without even realizing it. You can visualize love, but if your nervous system only knows survival, betrayal, or abandonment, you'll reject love the moment it comes near you. This isn't a mindset problem, it's a wiring problem, and most people are trying to manifest from a mind they never chose, from beliefs they inherited, from trauma responses they normalized. So if you felt frustrated, confused, or even betrayed by the universe, know this, it's not punishing you, it's reflecting you, and waiting for you to upgrade the signal. Number 2, the truth about rewiring. It's identity, not effort. Here's what no one tells you. You don't rewire your mind by forcing new thoughts. You rewire it by becoming someone new. Because your brain doesn't listen to what you say. It listens to who you are. If you want to manifest anything, you must become the version of you that already has it. Ask yourself, what do I need to believe about myself for this desire to feel natural? Not magical, not far away, just normal. Because to manifest something fast, it must feel emotionally familiar, and emotional familiarity is created by repetition, safety, and alignment. So if your mind isn't rewired to feel safe with wealth, love, peace, or power, it will unconsciously repel it to return to its comfort zone of struggle. This is why affirmations alone don't work. It's not about saying you're rich. It's about feeling safe being rich. It's not about thinking positive. It's about dissolving the identity that expects loss. Rewiring is not about doing more, it's about undoing what no longer serves the future you're calling in. Number 3, the Rewire Ritual. 3 steps to shift your mental frequency. Let's break it down. Here are 3 steps to start rewiring your mind before you manifest anything. Step 1. Interrupt the loop. Catch the thought that keeps you stuck. Notice the I can't, it's too late, or I always fail. Don't argue with it, just observe. That's the beginning of power. Step 2. Install the new identity. Now ask, what would the version of me who already has this believe? Would they second guess? Would they beg? Or would they expect it as normal, inevitable, and deserved? Speak from that version. Move like them. Breathe like them. This isn't fake, it's the truest you underneath all the fear. Step 3. Feel it in your body until it's real. Thoughts begin the shift, but feelings lock it in. The nervous system must feel safe in the new reality. Practice this daily. Close your eyes. Imagine the manifestation is already yours. Then ask, can I feel this now? Without needing it to come later, because when you feel it now, you collapse time. The universe stops waiting and starts matching. Rebirth. Reminder and power, you were never broken. You were just running old code you didn't ask for, beliefs that weren't yours, stories that were never meant to define you. But the moment you choose to rewire your mind, the moment you stop identifying with the struggle, reality begins to bend around you. The universe doesn't respond to desperation, it responds to identity. So don't just ask to manifest something, become someone who doesn't need to ask anymore. Because once you rewire the mind, you don't chase them. Manifestation, you live in it, and the universe, it can't help but deliver.